Welcome!
Hey there, welcome back. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style. This is the number 145. If you haven't yet, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. Make sure to hit the bell to stay notified. And of course, if you like building this dollhouse with me, if you like seeing all the pieces and parts, make sure to leave a like down below. And of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas para Tener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does giving how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Alright, here we have our new magazine. This is of course the number 145 from the Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style collection. And of course down below it says, enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. If you guys haven't seen the previous 144 videos which we've done, make sure to check out the playlist located in the end cards in the end of this video. And over here it just lists the credits. And here it talks about this very cool fish shop or doll fish shop from the 1930s. I'm going to show you a bigger picture in just a minute. Here you have it. And of course, down below, it lists all of the pieces and parts which you can see in the picture right here. The shopkeeper looks a bit scary, like he's from a horror movie a bit. You guys tell me what you guys think. Would you enter this guy's shop? I'd be a bit scared too. I'd be afraid I wouldn't leave it. And then here it shows more up close pictures of different items in the shop. And over here it shows you different dollhouse food and like breakfast and like little snacks. What do you guys like better? I don't know. I think the Oreos and the little chocolate muffins are really cute. You guys tell me what you guys like the most. Tell me down in the comments below. Well, let's open this up. Ooh, and there's more snacks. You guys tell me what is your favorite snack. Tell me down in the comments below. And here it talks about the Boy Scouts, how the Boy Scouts first came into being. Well, that's the end of that. Here we have the front of the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And well, let's flip this back around to the front. And now it's time to check out the new additions to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright, so first up we have these cute little pink shoes. Let's just open this up. They come in this little Ziploc. Let's see. So here we have these very cute little pink shoes. They have a little like button on the side. Little Mary Janes. well, those are just very, very cute. You guys tell me, what do you guys think about them? And here we have what I think is the star of the show. This very cute little bear in pajamas. It's very cute. I like the detail on the fur. It's very, very cute. Here's the bottom. You even see his tail poking out. And well, you guys tell me, what do you think? Tell me down in the comments below. As always, I look forward to hearing from you guys. And well, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. Make sure to hit the bell to stay notified. And of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partiner. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does giving how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, I will see you guys next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.